But the coffee does.
Yeah.
Oh man, we're going live again. We're going live. Facebook Live.
What does that mean? They can play the video?
Yeah. Well, they can see the video later, but right now it's live, like live TV.
It's on live explaining live.
The connection is weak. Yeah. Brilliant. Sometimes they go, "Who's that guy in the San Francisco?" Yeah.
Not him again. Is he drinking wine? What's his problem?
But the connection's weak, so.
It's alright, says the guy in the San Francisco one. Doesn't seem to bother me. And just.
I was going to take it off. Only once a year?
It's just nice to show. It's just nice to show what we're doing here.
What people?
I don't know, my friends. Maybe they'll use it on their websites. People I pay. Excuse me. Hey, we're live. We're live, guys. We're Facebook.